Good morning, students. On today's lecture, I'll cover one of the important and very interesting concept, ambiguous case of sine rule. Okay, ambiguous means more than one value, more than one meaning. In this case, more than one value. Okay, might happen. Okay, might occur. The question I have given that angle A equal to 30 degree. Opposite of angle A is side A is 6 centimeter and another side is given 10 centimeter of a triangle ABC. Find angle B. Now, let's see when we can use the sine rule. We can use the sine rule when two angles and one side is given. I have only one side. And the second one, it says two sides and one corresponding angle given. So corresponding angles. So two sides given, two sides, and corresponding angles means opposite of either one of these sides angle is given. So angle sides of A, its opposite angle should be angle A. It's given. So I can use this sine rule. Okay. Now sine rule says sine A over A equal to sine B over B equal to sine C over C. When I put it like that, I can use any unknown values. Over here I have one sine, one angle and two sides. I can find out the second angle. Okay, so let's do this. Sine A, let's say this sine A over A equal to sine B over B. Let me write down that. Okay, and then sine C over C. Now I have this two. Okay, I don't have direct way to find out angle B, so I'm gonna find out angle C first. So sine A is given sine 30 degree, and sine A is angle A. Okay, and opposite of A is A, that's 6 centimeter, and sine C is going to be, I don't know, that's what I'm going to find out, but C I know 10. Okay, so use the formula, use the method of solving equations. I'm going to get 10 times sine 30, that should be 5 divided by 6. Is that 5 by 6? Therefore, C, angle C should be sine inverse that, and it's gonna be 56.4 degree. Okay, when is that, then we can write down, therefore, see, I have angle A, I have angle C. Now I can calculate B has to be, since sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degree, that should be subtracted from 100. Sum of these two should be subtracted from 180. So 180 minus 30 plus 56.4, that should be giving me 86.4. So 180 minus that, and should be 93.6. Okay, that's my angle B. Now let me draw that and see what happens. Okay, see that C is 10 centimeter. Okay, so I'm gonna draw 10 centimeter over here. So from here, this is my 10 centimeter. So I'm gonna draw this 10 centimeter. Okay, so that's 10 centimeter, and then I'm gonna use the protractor to draw 30 degree angle. So this is gonna be 30 degree angle right over here, and I'm going to use another color to just draw this. So that's my 30 degree over here, and that's angle A, and this is 10 centimeter, right? C, so opposite of somewhere, C should be somewhere over here, so opposite of that, this is gonna be C, so that must be B. Okay, and A is opposite of that, so it should be somewhere over here, and that's 6 centimeter. Let me draw 6 centimeter over here. So this is 6 centimeter. Okay, this is 6 centimeter. So let me take this. This is C equal to 6 centimeter. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this radius. This is geometry we are doing, and from here, if I take that, okay, and I can join this, and I can say this is C and this is 6. Okay, so this triangle ABC, it has C, opposite of C is 10 centimeter, opposite of A is 6 centimeter, this is A, 6 centimeter, and this is 30. And look at this, angle C is 56.4. Wait a minute, now watch this. This one does look like more than 90 degree. This is acute angle. Okay, this is acute angle, but this looks obtuse angle. Okay, and that's also look angle B looks acute angle, but over here it's obtuse angle more than 90 degree. So we did something wrong over here, right? So this thing when happen, then we call this ambiguous case of sine rule. So what happened here? Okay, now I want you to check this one. When I have drawn this, see that I have taken this, and when I measure from here, it can also intersect that line somewhere over here too. Okay, so let me just extend that, and then if I extend this, it's gonna be like this, right? Okay, when it's like that, then I'm going to join this right over here. Okay, and C has two different positions. One can be here, C1, and C2 should be here. So if C2 is this one, then this A is going to be over here, 6. So these two are equal. Now this does look like 56.4. So this is 56.4 degree, and this is 93. This whole thing is going to be 93.6. So this is the triangle I'm looking at. Okay, but when this thing happens, okay, then this question might say find the possible values of angle B. So what I'm gonna do, in one of my last video I have showed you the obtuse angle. Okay, when I have this, okay, when I have this, then ambiguous case, I'll explain in a second when ambiguous case is gonna occur. When I have this 56.4, I'm gonna do what? I'm gonna subtract that from 180 degrees. So there are two options. One might be 56.4, another is 123.6. Okay, so when angle C equal to 56.4 degree, angle B is gonna be, I have already done that before, 93.6. But when angle C equal to 123.6, then angle B is gonna be 180 minus 123.6 minus 30 degrees. See that instead of 56.4, I'm gonna add 123.6. So I forgot, what did I do? 180 minus 123.6 plus 30 degree. Okay, so that's gonna give me angle B equal to 26.4. Now I can measure that. This is gonna be obtuse, so this obtuse angle should be 123.6. When is that? It's gonna be this angle gonna be 26.4, and if this is 90 degree, we already got that one. Okay, I'm gonna measure this. You can see that it's 26 something, it's 26.4, and this angle over here, I'm not sure if you can see that or not, but you can try it yourself. This is gonna be, see, 120, little bit this side, 120, 120, 1, 2, 3, 3, little bit that side. Okay, so this is ambiguous case. Now when I'm gonna have ambiguous case, because sine rule, it says two sides and one corresponding angle given. Okay, is this gonna appear all the time? No, it's not. Ambiguous case will happen when two sides and a non-included angle given. Okay, if included angle given, that's not gonna be sine rule anymore, it's gonna be cosine rule. Okay, we do know that. Two sides and a non-included angle given. Okay, so it's sine, we're gonna use the sine rule. The given angle is acute. It cannot be, this given angle cannot be more than 90 degree. Okay, it has to be less than 90 degree. Why? Because if you have 100-degree given, okay, 100-degree, and then I can just take a radius and I can draw it like that. That's only one way to do it. Okay, I think you can understand that when you do some of the practice from the book. Okay, the given angle is acute. Let me write down 100. Okay, and the third one, the side of the opposite given angle, this side. See that angle A, its opposite side is 6 centimeter. This is less than the other side given. Now, out of this two, the given angle's opposite side is less than that. So A is less than C. A is less than C, and this angle A equal to actually less than 90 degree. When this thing happens, okay, then ambiguous case might happen. Okay, why did I say might? Okay, if we have angle, let's say 74 degree, angle Q, let's say angle Q 74 degree, and then P, small p, the side equal to 8.7, and let's say Q equal to 5.2. Okay, angle Q is 74, opposite of that Q, so this is okay. Q is less than the other side given, and this Q is opposite side of the given angle, so that fulfills all of that. But when you draw this one, you're gonna see that it's not gonna work. Why it's not gonna work? Because when you draw this, let's say this one is 74. Okay, this is gonna be 74 somewhere over here. And this Q, when you draw that, it's not gonna intersect with this given line. Let me show you this. Just, I'm gonna draw a sketch. Okay, that's gonna be something like 74 degree. Okay, and this is my Q, and this is 74 degree. Okay, and then Q is opposite of that, so P should be somewhere over here. Let's say this is R, and this is gonna be P. So P is gonna be, this is 8.7. Okay, it's like that. So when you take that Q, okay, that's 5.2 from here. If you draw 5.2, see that it's gonna be something like that. It's not gonna intersect with this line, so you are not gonna have a triangle. Okay, so I hope you understand this ambiguous case of sine rule and why this would happen. Okay, if you have any question, leave it in the comment box. I'll get back to you. Okay, but before I go, I'm just gonna give you one more piece of information, that where you can find out this ambiguous case. Okay, most of the time in admaths, if you have relative velocity, you might have an ambiguous case, so you have to give more than one answer. And then sometimes in bearing, whenever you are trying to find out the angle, you might have that. In the vector, when the velocity we're asking towards which way it's going, okay, that case. And sometimes in menstruation. Okay, very rarely comes in menstruation, but it might come. Okay, so it's better to have a knowledge on this ambiguous case. Okay, thank you for watching. Take care. Have a good day.